Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this really cute Christmas tree lighting. I started by cutting 2 pieces of foam board for the back and glued them together. Then I cut out the floor and glued it on. Next I had these pictures that I took in my town. I just printed them off and trimmed off the white edges and glued them on. Then I took this fake snow sheet and glued down a layer of it. Then I put the Christmas tree on and kind of fluffed it a little. Then I took more of the fake snow sheet and kind of bundled it in little groups and glued it on. And then I decorated the tree. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.